study number 1. Today we will discuss the SSC Scientific Assistant paper of Electronics branch. So let's start. तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो इन ए कंडक्टर because there your option is number 1 is are free and mobile electrons, option 2 are free and mobile positive ions, are free and mobile protons, and fourth one is 4 are free and mobile negative ions. So the correct option is are free and mobile electrons. Second question is the ceramic are easy to shape, hence they are used in making. So your option is catalysts, conductors, electrolytes, insulators. Correct answer is insulator. Third is a dielectric is introduced between the plate of a parallel plate capacitor. What happened to the capacitance of the capacitor? जब एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक इंट्रोड्यूस किया था पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के बीच में, तो उसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है? टोटल कैपेसिटेंस में कैपेसिटेंस डिक्रीज होती है, कैपेसिटेंस इंक्रीज होती है, कैपेसिटेंस डबल हो जाती है, और फोर्थ है कैपेसिटेंस आपकी आधी हो जाती है. करेक्ट आंसर इज कैपेसिटेंस इंक्रीजेस. Fourth is the inductor follow which principle? Options De Morgan theorem, Fleming left hand rule, Fleming right hand rule. So fourth one is Lenz law. So simply Lenz law is the correct answer. Next question is when two resistors of the same value are connected in a series with a third resistance of the same value as the other two, then what will be the next effective resistance? Option 1 is net resistance decrease, net resistance increase, net resistance doubled, net resistance is tripled. The correct answer is net resistance is tripled. Next is the Bragg diode is used as a Bragg diode क्यों यूज करते हैं? Option 1 constant current source, option number 2 constant voltage source, option 3 voltage control capacitor, and option 4 is voltage multiplier. The correct answer is voltage control capacitor. Seventh question is what is the order of the reverse current in a silicon diode? Option 1 is kiloampere, ampere, milliampere, nanoampere. Simply the silicon diode in reverse bias, the amount of current is in nanoampere. Fourth question number 8. What is the form factor of full wave rectifier sine wave? Option 1 is 0.636, 0.707, option 3 is 1.11. Simply the correct answer is 1.11. Next question is what is the amount of current in the circuit given below, assuming the second approximation of the silicon PN junction diode? This diagram, this is the power battery and this is 1 kilo ohm resistance, and this is the voltage drop across the diode. By this depletion region, how much voltage is in case of silicon diode? के केस में, in case of silicon diode, the voltage drop across the deposition is 0.7 volt. So total voltage 5 minus 0.7 volt. Total answer is 4.3 volt. So the correct answer is this. Next is choose the correct statement for the breakdown voltage of a Zener diode. Option number 1 is it damages the current, it damages the diode. Option number 2 is decrease in current. Number 3, it is approximately constant. 4 is it is double of the forward knee voltage. So Zener diode के केस में correct statement it is approximately constant is the right answer. Next question is what is the value of the collector current of a bipolar junction transistor having a gain current of 200 beta 200 and the base current is 50 microampere. So simply common base alpha में alpha हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, that is equal to IC is equal to alpha IE, और common collector में हम निकालते हैं that is equal to IE is equal to IB. So here IC is equal to beta into IB common emitter. So beta is equal to beta 200. So 200 into base current is given here 50 microampere. So we put in 50 microampere and by we solve this micro 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 100 microampere means 0.01 microampere. 1 microampere is equal to 1000 milliampere. 1000 milliampere divided by 10 is equal to 100 milliampere. 100 milliampere is the right answer. 100 milliampere is the right answer. Next question. The gate voltage of E MOSFET is reduced to 0. Then the drain current is. अगर हम गेट वोल्टेज E MOSFET के केस में हम 0 कर दें तो what is the effect on drain current? Your option is at saturation. Option number 2 equal to IDSS drain current is. Third is 0. Fourth is narrowing the channel. So the correct answer is 0. Next question is the flow of electron in p-type channel JFET is from to कहाँ से कहाँ तक p-type JFET में करंट फ्लो होता है. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 गेट टू ड्रेन, ड्रेन टू सोर्स, गेट टू ड्रेन, सोर्स टू गेट. And the correct answer is drain to source. Next question is the transistor bias circuit arrangement provide a stable system using a negative feedback from the collector to the base is. Your option is collector to base bias, emitter bias, fixed bias with emitter resistor, and your correct answer is collector to base bias. What is the value of the coupling capacitance in RC coupling? Option are 100 nanofarad, 1 microfarad, 10 microfarad and 100 microfarad. And your correct answer is 10 microfarad. क्योंकि RC coupling में हम we are using 10 microfarad capacity in the coupling. The next portion. Next question is the oscillations produced by oscillator are under damp, critical damp, over damp, last is modulated. So the oscillation produced by the oscillator are critical damped. Next question is what is the output of a Schmitt trigger when fed with a sinusoidal voltage wave? What is the output of a Schmitt trigger? Schmitt trigger basically is square wave generator. Schmitt trigger is basically square wave generator. Then the question is what is the output of a Schmitt trigger when fed with a sinusoidal voltage wave? Your option: asymmetric square wave, rectangular wave, square wave, sawtooth wave, trapezoidal wave. So your correct answer is asymmetrical square wave. Next question is what number of stable states does an astable vibrator have? Astable vibrator has nothing, 0 stable state. Astable multivibrator have 0 stable states. So your correct answer. Next is what is the maximum number of transistors used in a common what is the minimum number of a transistor used in a class B power amplifier to obtain the output for a full cycle of the signal? हमें कितने ट्रांजिस्टर की रिक्वायरमेंट है जब हम क्लास बी के अंदर क्लास बी पावर एम्पलीफायर में हमें फुल साइकिल का सिग्नल अगर आउटपुट पे चाहिए तो वी कैन यूज 2 ट्रांजिस्टर एंड द राइट आंसर इज 2. What is the percent voltage regulation of an unregulated power supply? 0%, 0.05%, 0.1%, 0.15%, and the correct answer is 0.1%. Which among the following is a limitation of KCL? Your option is it is not applicable for more than one voltage source. It is not applicable for circuit having more than 2 branches. It does not consider the dependent source. It does not consider the leakage charge through node and the conductor. So the correct answer is it does not consider the leakage charge through node and conductor. Next question is, and the last question of this video, a 5 ampere current source has a resistance of 40 ohm. What will be the value of the equivalent voltage source? So equivalent voltage is the multiplication of the both. 200 volt is the right answer. Welcome friend on my YouTube.